RVC618. This model, okay. Let me show you. It is in a carry bag. You see, this is our logo. And this model, sorry, wait a moment. I need to connect my. This model, you can see, here is our logo. And this model actually now is selling very, very well in Amazon. You can search car vacuum cleaner. I think this model is top one currently. And here is the switch, on-off switch. And this is the button for take off for the dust cup. And here is the cigarette lighter plug. Okay. Also, I show you some accessories. First is this filter. And this one, extended tube. This is very useful. Sometimes you will clean some higher place when you cannot catch, then you can use this accessory. And this tube is to clean the small gap in the seat, or in the very, very not so limited space. And this one is the brush head. You clean your sofa or cabinet. And this is the brush. I will show you later, okay? Okay, so let me put this button to show you the inner structure. First, you need to click this button, right? You can see, click this button, then you can take off the dust cup. You can see there is a filter. Someone maybe ask that if I want to ask more filters, is that okay? I want to say that all the accessories you want, maybe also some more filter or more brush head or more tube. Each accessories you can add or you can OEM, okay? Okay, that's filter. And then after you take off the dust, then you can connect this groove. Okay. So you can see it's very easy. Okay. And sometimes you can change another filter, is okay. And this filter, the material is HEPA. So that material, you can clean it under wash. When you want to, when some dust is very not easy to take off, then you can wash under water, okay? So next, I will show you how to use it. Okay. Can you help me, Tom? So there is some paper here, okay? Because we're not in the real site, so I prepare some papers here. And also, first you need to make sure this on-off switch, you need to put on off before you connect to the cigarette plug, okay? And in the front of your car, near the keyboard, you can find this plug. Then you just need to connect. Okay. Then I will show you how to clean. Okay. Come on. See, very fast. It's clean now. And besides clean your car seat, if you want to use this vacuum cleaner to use at home or your bed or your sofa, then you can buy a wireless version. Besides this cigarette plug version, we also have a wireless version. This plug will change with a USB plug, so you can rechargeable to use at home. Okay. And this one, you can see our logo. If you want OEM with your company logo, it's okay. And also for this bike, for this carry bike, you also can change with your logo. Okay. Sometimes you want to clean the limited space, then you can put these accessories here. Okay. Then you can connect here to clean. And also, you want to clean the cabinet or the sofa or the bed or sometimes your piano, okay? Then you can put this brush head. So this will make that place more easy. And this brush is used to clean the filter, because sometimes there may some like the weight dust is not so easy to take off. Then you can use this brush. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, so if you are a buyer that you sell at Amazon or some eBay platform, then I think this model is very easy to sell. It's fast selling, okay? And for this model, I will show you some parameter, okay? This model is 106 watt, and the power is the 4,500 power. So that means if you choose a car vacuum cleaner, these two parameters is very important, and also these two parameters will depend this model's price. So before you choose the car vacuum cleaner, so first you need to check the voltage and the suction force. Okay.